Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a while since I did any luxury reveals. So today we've got a double hit. We have a little something from Hermes and a little something from Dior, which I absolutely blame on Maddie Shops. It's because of her video and her sharing on Dior and her love for Dior that I went out and checked out Dior, and yeah, I came back with something in a paper bag. But before we get started, I would like to share something from today's video sponsor, which is IDYL. And I know by this point you have heard about IDYL, but honestly, it's one of the jewelry brands that I wear all the time. I absolutely love the pieces that I'm wearing right now. Let me come a little closer. I wear this a lot. Like if you watch some of my videos, it's probably like the only earrings that I wear all the time. This is the Lucia earrings with the solo stud. I have this in the small, and then I obviously wear all their little studs all around my ears. I'm wearing the same one on this side, but this time I have a few new items from them which I want to share with you. I have been wearing my IDYL pieces for several years now. In the early days, they didn't have many designs, but because their designs are these really soft and minimalistic, and it's really elegant, they have lasted and stand the test of time. Because if you were really chunky pieces, you might grow tired of them. But because I can mix and match with almost all my outfits and all my, from really sporty looks to my going out looks to my office looks, they just go so well. And because they use these top 1% lab grown diamonds, they sparkle so much. So let me show you you know what, let me start off with this piece that I'm wearing on my neck, and I cannot stop wearing it. I wonder if this has replaced, maybe not, maybe it has replaced my Lena necklace. I love my Lena necklace, my Bia earrings, my Serena pendant. Oh my gosh, I love them all. But this, look at this beautiful 5-stone, is almost this teardrop shaped necklace. Let me come up a little bit closer some more. Look at this beautiful, oh my gosh, it's so dainty. I love wearing it just at my neckline, and it's, look at how they move. They're so cute. This is called the cherry choker. It actually went out of stock for a long time. Then when it came back in stock, I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. It's such a gentle necklace. You know, sometimes necklaces can be quite overwhelming, but because it's just like tiny little teardrops, and it just sparkles. Look at how oh my god, it makes my neckline. I'm sorry, I just was scratching my neck earlier, but so pretty. It goes really well even with the Lucia earrings. I have a few more earrings to show you, so I'm going to switch out my Lucia earrings. Let me show you this one because it's still in the box. I'm going to put my mic here for a little bit so that I can have my hands free, but I have to show you these beautiful hoop earrings. They're just diamond hoops, and you can wear it on its own like this. Look at how beautiful. Look at those diamonds. They sparkle so much. If you're thinking luxury but you don't want to pay that crazy price point, look no further. Okay, then you can add, because I said earlier, it's modular. Look at these gorgeous add-ons. These are called the philo earrings. I'll link everything down below. I'll also put my discount code. Look at that. You can take it out. So on days that you just want to wear the hoop, you can do that. Let me take it out. Just the hoop like this. And then on days you feel like, oh, I'm going to amp it up, you just hook it back in here, and then you get some dangly earrings. Okay, I'm gonna wear them now, and you can see how they look like with the cherry choker. You can see, look at how pretty that add-on is. That's called the philo, and with the necklace, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Because the diamonds are these really high quality ones, they sparkle. When the light like hits them and you're like moving, they shine so much. Now if you're thinking, girl, that's like too long, I like it a little shorter, let me show you. They have an alternative. Because if you like the necklace and you think, okay, I like the necklace but I don't want something that's so dangly, they have a tinier dangly version which is called petal. Just a little add-on. Let me wear it on one side, then you can compare. Okay, take a look at this. So now I have petal with the diamond hoop. Doesn't that look amazing? Even with the cherry choker, it's like a little subtle look, or you can go like dangly right here. I don't know, something about maybe the way I'm dressed right now, real plain top and just the necklace and the petal. That goes really well, doesn't it? Whenever you buy your pieces from IDYL, it does come with a certificate and also a hand check to tell you what you're getting. So the piece that I got is handmade in Antwerp, Belgium. That's where IDYL is. And its lab-grown diamonds color grade is DGVS clarity with the cut is excellent. And this was hand-checked by Didi. How so cute. Yeah, Didi. So it's kind of nice to have almost like a confirmation on, you know, the jewelry pieces that you're buying, because you're not buying like a $10 item, okay? You're buying something that is going to last you a long time, and you could even pass down as well. So if you're buying this as a gift, I think it's also really beautiful. This is what it comes in a little baggie. You also get a free gift with your purchase, and today I've got a hair tie. I think this is a silk hair tie, and because it's so hot, let me tie my hair up. My hair is getting really long right now. I think I should get a haircut. But anyway, look at these beautiful pieces, and oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So thank you again to IDYL for partnering with me for this video. And yeah, I will link everything in the description section down below. I'll also link my favorite pieces for you to check, especially like Lena, like Bia, Serena. Did I forget some? Probably I did, but I will link them all down below. You can check it out. I do have a discount code as well. And yeah, if you're getting something for a gift like Mother's Day, it's a fantastic time to enjoy a little bit more discount on your items. I'm gonna leave the mic here. I hope you can hear me as I talk and I, show the stuff. So let's start off with Dior, because I don't really buy a lot of Dior items. I used to a little bit more, but I haven't. And I actually got this during Chinese New Year, but I actually only got it back after Chinese New Year because, yeah, I bought it a little late and I wanted to wear it for the New Year. End up, I didn't. But anyway, I watched Maddie's video. She did a haul on a jacket. She did a few things, and she also showed this. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to check it out. And it is a pair of jeans. It is this beautiful, okay, so beautiful. I think it's just called DO4. It's actually not from JW Anderson's line. It's maybe just their standard jeans, but it's this like the most perfect jeans color. It's not too blue, it's not too white, it's not too washed out, and it has 4 pockets. I think that's why it's called D4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not a bell-bottom jeans, but it is definitely on the baggier side. I had to leave it at Dior for them to shorten it. They made it just nice around my heel, and I think it looks really good. I'm so impressed with the whole cut. It makes my bum look nice, and yeah, I'm kind of a little obsessed about Dior jeans right now that I wouldn't mind getting another pair, but I'm going to enjoy this pair first. I will link it down below if I can still find it. I do think it's from an older release. I don't know if JW Anderson is going to change it up, but it's definitely something that I'm very happy with. Honestly, I'm gonna get so much use out of it. In fact, because I got it back just after Chinese New Year, I have worn this several times already, which is saying a lot for a pair of jeans because I don't wear jeans very often. But yeah, absolutely love this pair. So that's the first item. And the second haul item today, now, gosh, I should do like a story time for this, right? Let me take it out first and then we'll talk about it. I know some of you are gonna be like, what? Okay, just get it done. Just let me take it out. And okay, some stuff. It is a quarter bag. Okay, let me just tell you. I hope you're not fast forwarding, but I'm sure you would. It's okay. Come back for the story time. All right, here we go. So this is my my quarterback from last year, and I guess I don't know. I guess by revealing it, I am more certain about it. But let's talk about it. So this is my Hermes Kelly 25 Cellier Palladium hardware, and it's a really beautiful bag. It's a very office looking bag. Oh gosh, the sticker is coming out. I haven't taken it out. Literally when I got it from the store, I was like, what am I doing? Like, I sold my Kelly gold on gold because it is Cellier. And what am I doing with another Cellier bag? I know, okay, I know. So the story time is like this. Last year, I was supposed to get another bag, okay, after spending and doing all the, doing the deed, okay? And I waited and waited and waited from September to October. November rolled by, December came by, and my Birkin 25 Ethiopia or Kelly 25 Ethiopia was nowhere to be seen. I don't know why. So after bugging my essay for a bit, this was available. And though I don't really want a Cellier, definitely black and palladium is a color that is, I guess, kind of goes with my vibe. Don't you think so? Like, I think with the gold on gold plus Cellier, it does look a little bit more prim and proper. But my friend here, Joe, said that the black Cellier with palladium hardware is a very sleek looking bag that I might be able to wear it more. So what do y'all think? Honestly, it's been sitting in the bag, not in the box, since I got it. And I got this, was it December? I think so. December or yeah, it was December. Yeah, last year, right? So December. And I love it. Okay, I love it. I think it's so beautiful. It's just that I guess maybe I have it in my head that I sold my gold on gold because it was a bag that was wearing me. But I do wonder if because this is black, and black bags tend to be more understated, that I would be able to really utilize this bag. So what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Do you think it goes with my vibe? If any of you have the exact bag, let me know how it wears for you. Do you find it more casual? Do you find it more easygoing compared to, say, maybe your lighter color bags if you have more than one? I just want to know because I honestly, I guess feel really bad that I had such an iconic Kelly 25 gold on gold and let that go. But then now I took a Cellier bag. I guess I have this feeling in my head like, am I dumb or something? But in any case, I am very, 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 very thankful to have it, and I'm really excited to share it with you. But I just want to hear all of your thoughts. Do you think this is more me? Like, look at me. Like, do you think it's more me? I kind of feel like it's more me, right? Maybe? What do you think? Yeah, I'm looking forward to your comments in the comment section. But yes, those are the two items that I got. I do have another reveal coming up. Maybe sometime in a few months. That's something else. I don't have it, okay? I'm just saying, I'm not hiding it. I'm not putting it anywhere. I just don't have it with me. Something coming soon. So we'll definitely have something more in the next, definitely this year, okay? I don't know when this year because my filming schedule's a little bit, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed a couple of things. I do wonder if luxury unboxings are still popular on the channel. I don't do as many for sure. For me, I have also slowed down. But yeah, I guess I wanted to do a couple today. Well, if you enjoyed it, I do hope you give it a thumbs up. And again, please do check out IDYL's pieces. If you are kind of interested, you're not sure what you want to get, you can always start off with one or two small modular pieces and then build your collection over time. I love the fact that you can, for just one piece, one set, you can have two different looks. And definitely this choker here, awesome. Just have to show you how beautiful the diamond is. Like, look at that. Oh, look at the sparkle. Oh my gosh, that's That is stunning. That's stunning. But anyway, thank you so much to IDYL, and thank you to all of you for watching my videos and clicking my links. It's because of all of you, that's why I have such wonderful opportunities to work with fantastic brands across the globe. Yeah, so I will end here. If you have any questions about the items that I have, or you have any comments, which I'm going to read, please do leave them down below. And I hope everybody is having a fantastic week. Have a fantastic day. And yeah, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.